Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to jump-start your Lexus RX 350. First, ensure both vehicles are completely turned off and not making contact. Next, locate the 12-volt battery in your Lexus, which might be under the hood or in the trunk. Finally, inspect your jumper cables for any damage before proceeding. This preparation is crucial for a safe and effective jump start. Now, let's connect the cables. First, securely attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your dead Lexus battery. Then, connect the other red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Next, take one black negative clamp and connect it to the negative terminal of the good battery. This sequence helps prevent sparks. For the final connection, attach the remaining black negative clamp to an unpainted metal surface on your Lexus, away from the battery. Now, start the assisting vehicle and let it run for approximately 5 minutes. This allows the good battery to transfer some charge. After 5 minutes, try starting your Lexus RX 350. It should now turn over. Once your Lexus starts, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order you connected them, starting with the negative clamps. To ensure your battery recharges properly, drive your vehicle for at least 20 minutes. If your car struggles to start again, it might be time for a battery check. Also, remember to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.